So yeah guys, today's vlog, I won't think this is a whole vlog, but let's see how much of clips I get. But today we are visiting my farmland, like our ancestral farmland, and it's three generations working together, like my grandfather, my father, and then me. So me and my brother, so three generations working together. And yeah, let's see how the day goes. And it is pretty sunny, so I think we can see a bit of wildlife, maybe snakes, maybe a lot of things, salamanders or etc etc, a lot of things. So yeah, let's see how the day goes. And my hair look damn beautiful. Yeah, they look beautiful. And this is where we have parked the car. Like, why do I forget? Foolishness of me. Why do I forget that we have a back camera? Let me show you. There we have parked our car, and now we have to go from this route, and we have to go to the top of the mountain. So yep, a damn good and beautiful journey, but very tiring. And I'll tell you guys about my grandfather's fitness. Like, he can walk, and me and my father, my brother, we get like restless. We are like कि अभी तो बैठना है भाई, अभी तो बस हो गया, तो झालं बस झालं. But my grandfather will walk till the mountain without a sip of water, and you can see dawn coming. सलाम रॉकी भाई. हे इकडे इकडे. We have got a friend. Maybe he's not a friend. He's here to protect the farm. But yep. चला बाबा, कुणीकडे जायचं आता? And I have become more and more shameless while vlogging now. Like, I don't care if people are seeing me. I only care if content is being created and posted. And it's high time. I think I should get an editor, but let's see. I don't think that he could put the taste in my vlogs. So yeah, let's see. पप्पा, वरपर्यंत आली असती गाडी. We have already started sighing and all. But see the greenery, guys. And let me show you where we have to reach. See there? You see that mountain range? We have to reach there. We have to reach there. So this will be 20% walking and 30% tracking, and 50% will know our health issues. Yeah,
लेकिन ये साला कर क्या रहा है यहाँ पे?
And I am shooting every clip now because I know once I reach, we are about to reach the farms, I'll be drained. I'll be drained because of the sun and all things. So I will piss off on camera. So to avoid that, I'm recording maximum content now. Like, people protect their farms with dogs. Calm down, my friend.
गप पडलं तर जास्तच करशील तू.
Sorry.
भजन करशील.
परत एकदा सांगा, हे काय?
सगुणी हे त्याचा कांगुण्या.
म्हणजे कांगुन्या म्हणजे?
कांगुण्या म्हणजे ते लागतात रे त्याला.
हा 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 हा. आणि तुम्ही काय बोलला, काय झाल्यावर लावायचं?
का ते हे लावायचं
वा.
नाही, ते निंगड आहे ती.
हा हा, निंगळ ही ना?
हा,
हा हा हा.
ते झाडच सगळं निंगड आहे.
हा 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 हा. पण लिंबुवाचा पाला लावतात, पाला लावतात ना?
कशाला?
ते हे झालं की,
काय?
पिसवा झाला की?
नाही नाही, यो पाला
हा हा.
लावायचा नाही,
मग
खाली हातरून
खाटा खाली टाकायचं.
टाकायचं.
हा हा हा. You should know all this knowledge, guys. ती निंगड, ती वरची, ही सगुनी.
सगुणी.
आणि हे काय? हे
हे
हा
हे वेगळं आहे ते.
हा हा हा. ह्याची माहिती आपल्याकडे नाही. चला
नाही
बोंबलून दे.
मी तरी कुठे गावात राहिले 50 वर्षी.
आपल्या शेतात गहू बिहू येतात ना बाबा?
नाही रे आता.
आता नाहीत. आम्ही बघितलेला गहू ते सांगा, ते सातोबाबाच्या घराच्या पाठी.
हा तू काय सांगू तिथं बसतात तिथे.
इट वॉज अ ह्यूज ॲनिमल, ह्यूज
आता
ऑफ
ते
ॲनिमल.
सरागल्यात खाली
हा हा हा,
खालच्या मार्गाला.
त्या साईडला
होय.
डोंगराच्या ना.
ती एका ठिकाणी राहत नाही.
हा हा हा. And guys, be passionate. I am very passionate about animals. Like, I'd die to see animal. Cause the thing is, when I was in that Rani Chi Bagh, seeing a tiger from this close, a huge of animal who has twice as you or 10 times more power than you, is just at a distance of a glass. That makes me thrill for life. And yeah, and it also teaches you that you are not the most important to the world. You can be killed anytime, every time. Every single animal there.
नॉन टच.
If huh? काय बोलला सर?
उगीच काय बी बोललो रे.
हां हां.
मला काय इंग्लिश येते.
Every single animal there can potentially harm you.
कॅन बटाटा.
थांबा जरा. Every single animal there can potentially harm you. And that gives you a feeling of, okay, no matter how much I work, I won't be able to beat him. But the work you put in to beat that guy or that animal is a different level of life experience. My perspective. इकडे बघ. थका हारा बच्चा.
भिजला.
And guys, see this. Like, it is a shade of trees. And this would be more beautiful if we were here in rain. Like, this place becomes thrice as beautiful as it is now. But the thing is, you have to be always walking with alertness. Cause you see this path in between. Let me show you this path in between, or this path. At this time when the sun is at peak, what is the time? 10:15. Like, reptilians come outside. Like, last year we saw a Russell's viper, and by the way, it is a venomous snake. So yeah, experiences. And I think I crave to see wildlife today also, so that I can record it. So yeah. बाबा कुठे राहिले? पप्पा कुठे राहिले? And touch wood, guys. My grandfather is an inspiration for me, because the amount of fitness he's holding at the age of 75, like, damn good. He walks on average 1.5 kilometers every single day. Every single day. He has the money to buy an auto ride. Sorry. He has the money to ride to buy an auto ride. He can go to places with a bike by asking my uncle or my dad, but he still walks to that place, and he still lifts heavy. Like, when we go to, like, ground atta, what is it called? Floor, yes. When we go to ground floor, he like lifts 20 kgs like it is nothing. 20 kgs is a weight which I lift, and it makes my hand shake, like, because the bag has a very thin strap, so obviously it will make your arms like a bit of strainy or clinged like that, your muscles. I would have fallen right now, but yep. And he lifts 20 kgs like it's nothing. So yep, let me show you if it went off. My shoes. Oh, there's a mango. Nah. आंबा पाडायला सा. So yep, my grandfather secured a mango, and लेट्स गो अप नाव. बाबा आपली किती झाड आहे तो आंब्याची? किती तरी बी 20 असतील.
सो आम्ही ठेवीत नाही.
पण तरी बी 20 असतील ना आपली.
नाही.
मग कमी का जास्त?
आणि तिकडे कुठं? अरे रस्ता नसेल तिकडं.
काय? My brother uses brain. My brother always uses his boy's brain. Like, see, we have a road from here, but still he wants to walk from there. So yeah, boys think differently. And see the beauty, guys. See the beauty. Let me show you. See this. There is a dam, and I am planning. We are planning. Huh, Mawli? Let's plan to swim there today. What do you say? Huh? So yeah. My grandfather is securing some mangoes for us. And yes, these trees has a lot of mangoes. Like you can see, if the camera can justice. Ye dekh. You see the beautiful dam. And we were sitting there at that end. Maybe the camera couldn't show you that end, but this is heaven. Yes, it's a bit sunny, but works. And the thing is, we are only 20% the way up now, and we have to climb more. Like, let's see.
सोनं वाटतात ना
Ha ha ha.
मुंबईत.
Ha ha ha.
हे बघ.
Sona Dasarala na?
हो हो.
Guys, this is called Sona that we distribute on the occasion, auspicious occasion of Dasra. See the view, guys. See the view. But the thing is, for this view, you have to walk for what? 25 minutes uphill, straight uphill. So, yeah, the view needs a sacrifice. And we are now 40% up. Maybe we have lost our track.
हळूहळू पाय टाक. गडबड करू.
खाली बघून जा बाबा. And when there is a blind spot like this, you'll never keep your leg here. You always keep your leg here when you can see the mud. Like, see here, and then you go like this, because now you have to climb here. Like, see here, there, and we have a way from here too. So why would I go the normal way? I am a guy. I have to do foolish things. So we go like this, and I'll show you. Let me show you. Like here and there. So yeah, let's go. Maybe my decision was a bad, cause now I have to climb this straight hill. Let's see. Weak. Yes. Reached successfully. Yep, reached our farm, and I saw something. It's a buffalo there.
या इकडे.
And my grandfather is like the older and Indian version of Bear Grylls. Here we have laser sharp. I mean, sorry, not laser sharp, but sharp as a sword. Tar. What is a tar called? A wire. But he wants to go from here. Why? We could easily walk from there. But दादू ने बोला करने का तो करने का. So we walk from here too. And yes, I'm sweating a lot. And that buffalo is watching me like I'm some kind of inhumane thing that's walking in her area. Like, see there. Yes. We are here and we have to go there more. I have just saw something that I'd try to get. Let me show. There is a mango which is damn golden in color, and I know that is very sweet. So should I go for it? Because we have to go, let me you, from here, then collect that one, then that one. And I don't think that one is worth going for. But yep, let's see. I think I'm lost because grandfather is here, dad is here. I don't know where I am. But who cares? No, I do care because I have to return home. Yeah guys, I'm going there for the quest and let's see if I win or I fall apart. Let's see. Yes, we have reached here and let's see our reward. It's a good mango, it smells good also. I don't know if the camera is recording just my foot or my face too. It smells good. It is eaten by the squirrel and it is good for your health. When the squirrel eats, my grandmother says that it is good for your health. So we are gonna bag this one. And the next one is this. This one is not good because it has a hole. That means it is decayed. But we can eat this one. And yeah, the quest was good. Oh damn no. Hello! The quest was good, but I shouldn't be here. Let's leave this place as fast as possible. Yes, guys, we have reached our farm, and this is all of it. And I'm damn tired because I have walked a lot. And the reason I left that pit where I got that mango was there was a snake, and yes, I could record it, but I didn't want to be in trouble with the snake because I couldn't see its face. I couldn't see its face, so I couldn't recognize it. But I thought that I shouldn't be playing around. So yep, but a damn beautiful creature. And then we have all of these are trees. These are cashew nut trees, and let me show you how a cashew nut looks like. This is the fruit. We call it cashew apple, or we call it in Marathi we call it like kajuacha ghar, and that means the flesh above the cashew nut. And yep, so we are finding, but maybe other people have reached here before us and took all the things. So let's see if we find. And there is my grandfather looking for some cashew nuts. Let's see if I can find some. And let's see. No, I couldn't find any because I wanted one to show you guys, to show to the camera, but the people have stolen it. But okay, Like these are the amount of trees we have planted of cashew nuts. Like these whole trees, like maybe yes, they're all planted by my grandfather's father. Find the actual looking cashew nut, but I have found the younger version. Let me show you. Like yes, this has the cashew inside it, and we burn it, and then we crack it, and then we get the cashew, and this is the flesh over it. Like this will grow into a yellowish or reddish fruit. I could show you if it is fallen apart, but we don't have any, and it will grow into very delicious fruit, and from that fruit alcohol is being prepared. Like we call it maybe fenny. Yes, fenny, or no, tadi is of ice apple, so we call it fenny, and fenny is created, that's a local alcohol. We don't find it in our village because we don't have any alcohol shops, or we don't have any alcohol making factories. So you can find fenny locally in like very cheap rates, because it is very not that I would say expensive to make, but yeah, it is a traditional drink. So yep, as you can see, if you can see that signboards, those are an indication of restricted areas. Like you cannot go above that. We are like my family's I'd say farm is the last, and after that it is restricted forest area, and you cannot go above it, or then forest rangers will catch you and find you. So yep, we cannot go above it. So yep, we have come to one of our mango trees, and this tree is, like you can see, this is around 50 to 60 years old, and I'll show you our sheeps or goats. Yes, these are our goats, meaning my grandfather's Sakha Bhau. What is called Sakha Bhau? Real brother maybe. Yes, my grandfather's real brother, real little brother or younger brother. He has this herd of sheep or goats, and they are ours, so technically. And I got to know that the government of India has released around 5 tigers in these mountains behind. Like you can see. Can you see the mountains? Oh, this is the mountain. This mountain behind. And 2 days ago, the tiger took away one of our villagers' 3 goats. So dangerous, but yep, a fun day. And like see, they are fighting, right? Touch wood, that experience doesn't have like happen with us, but what a crazy experience it would be. Like somewhere around there will be the tiger who's looking at a boy who's in black t-shirt holding something and talking to it, and then he decides to say hello. पडीचा कुस्कर ह्यांना आवडतोय.
हातात धरकी आहे.
घे घे
हे काय चावीत नाही ते.
हे घे घे.
फोटो काढ म्हणता.
अरे या
मस्त चिक संपला.
काय बघा शेंगदाणा बी आहेत.
मिसळ
संपला.
झालं. आणि मागणं मग जरा पाहिजे.
हे घे. ओ
आता मी जाईल तिकडे पाटणे येते. तसं दिले मार
आवडतं.
guys, see this. Like this is the size of an Indian gaur. Like damn big.
हॅलो, हां बोल ना.
I'd like to keep this at my home, but let's ask my dad. And this is damn huge. Guys, this is the size of their teeth. Like, compare this to mine. Huge animals, huge. One of our wells. So yep, came to one of our wells, which is been not in use for decades now. And yep, I have seen this well first time. I have been coming to village for what now 18 years, and I've seen this well for the first time. I saw something really crazy, and this is the bed mechanism of our village. Like, let me show you. Here they put on a fire, and there they sleep, so that the flames of the fire, they frighten wild animals, and also they kill mosquitoes and keep rodents away from you, so you sleep safe there. Like, let me show you. You fire here and you sleep here. Mowgli hunting Karwanda in the jungle. Papa, 1 minute. Hey Mowgli, तेव्हा इकडे खाली आहेत.
खाली तिकडे नाही जायत. उगाच काय
मी जातोय की.
जातो काय काटे लागतील.
बस बस चल.
हाय चालेल.
है मला तरी द्या. दे.
काय गेलं हातात?
तिचा हात अंगाला पुस.
अहो आता कसं बसू सांगा.
हाय 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 हाय.
चल.
झाले आता.
Guys, earn your feast. It is more tasty. And guys, when you earn your feast like these, I have to stand there in thorns and all. It tastes more good. I don't know what are Karwanda called in English, but they're damn good.
द्या.
And guys, we are standing here on this rock and see the view in front of me. Like, wow. See the clouds. Like a heavenly view.
व्ह्यू असं यायला पाहिजे ना.
I am standing on this rock. Let me show you on what I'm rock. On what. And yes, we have descended the mountain and we are here in our car and now leaving. And maybe yesterday's vlog I'll show that clip. We are at Jyotiba temple and he's a god. He is our Kuldevat, and there is our car park. And the temple looks like some kind of 90s horror movie plot kind of temples, like the ones in Tumbad types. But yeah, fun. And here there are benches, and the stones here, if we could be here in the morning, I could show you. The stones here have carvings. If you can see, yes, sorry. So my mom said that they are gods and we cannot disrespect them. So you should never disrespect divine places or spiritual places. Take it as advice, guys. And maybe in yesterday's vlog, when I was vlogging, I disrespected the temple that is in front. That night that we came, this is a Jyotiba temple, and maybe there were god statues near my feet, and I went there, and I did not do anything, but I went there with my sandals on. So I'll say sorry and then leave, because you should never disrespect religious places. And there was an event that happened, like when I was cracking the coconut open, the lights went off of the temple, and while we leave with the car and we reached till that pipe, our car from here to there, and the lights came back. So I don't want to disrespect any god or anything, and you should never disrespect any religious place. So I'm here to say sorry, and I'll drink a bit of water and leave. So guys, we have convinced dad to go to Pimpalgaon and waste a bit of petrol just to drink soda. What do you need after a climb? Soda. Guys, we are up here to drink soda, and grandpa is a lot tired, so he slept in the car. इकडे या, हळू या. What else do you want in life, guys? Soda. after a heavy climb. Damn good. And this soda tastes even better after being that tired and experiencing that fatigue. It tastes even better. And guys, this is what happens when your body is severely dehydrated and you like load too much of sugar and salt. So yep guys, came home, took a bath, had my lunch and now sitting, and the weather is like just fine. It is damn beautiful, like it couldn't get better. And I'm sitting at the back end of my house, like what we say, a bit of veranda. We have a bit of trees, and I'll show you the weather. Like, see the weather guys. I'm sitting here and enjoying it. Sometimes I just need a black coffee. I need a black coffee so bad. I'll make a black coffee now. And how beautiful could the quest of finding mangoes and mangoes. What we got mangoes. We got a handful of mangoes. We got a handful of karwanda. We got a handful of cashew nuts. Only 2-3 of them. I'll show you if I get them. And now we came home tired, went for a soda party, came home again, did a cold shower, and like my body aches, but the feeling after a cold shower, damn good. And now I'm sitting in the cool breeze at the end of my house. Everybody's sleeping, and I'll probably read a book here or just sit and reflect back on the days I've spent here, cause tomorrow is the last day I am here, and the day after tomorrow, that is Saturday, I'm leaving unfortunately, cause I've got my exams and they are important to attend, so I have to leave. Or I could stay around 5 to 6 days here, but yeah, you have to make priorities. Just came out to buy some groceries and see the sky. I'll show you. Like, damn. I don't know if the camera is able to justice it, but it looks mesmerizing. Like, damn good. So yeah, been a lot busy these weeks cause exams, then I had to work and a few meetings and all. And so yep. And this vlog is coming out late, but there is one more vlog remaining, so I'll edit it now and put it. So thank you for watching, and comment down what was the best part, and I'll bring more such vlogs. And I'm getting better at vlogging also, so I've got a lot of compliments from my friends and from some of my very close classmates, neighbors and all. So thank you for watching my content and have a great day.